Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You have that Jeep badging up front with the chrome accenting. You do have your lights right there and your projector headlights right there. And coming around to the side of the vehicle, we do have our Destination brand tires with Firestone brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. You got your mirrors hanging out right there, and they are looking fantastic. You do have your Jeep badging as well as the Sport back here. You can open it up just right back here. Looks awesome back here. Very spacious. You can also fold this guy up, and you do have some extra room with your pump. You do have lots and lots of room with some extra space right there. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got your handle here, some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. The two-tone seats look great. You do also have your control over your lights here, so you're off on daytime running lights. Then you do have your in-cabin light control here, and your control over your high beams and your and your turning signals right there. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. We are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, only 20,000, not too bad at all. Also tells us which gear we're in, the way we're facing, and the temperature outside. But we can switch around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, our audio, messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And back here we do have our control over our windshield wipers. Right in the center we do have our touchscreen display. Looks great. You have your AM and FM, as well as you do have your media there. If you have your USB, aux cord, SD, or Bluetooth. Got your phone options down here. Compass, settings, and your more. Volume up and down with your mute, screen off, back button, tuner and browser. Some storage here. Then down here you got your traction control and your hazard lights. You got the power up and down, temperature control, AC, and then where it's going to blow out off with your defrosts. SD card slot there with your USB and aux cord. Gear shift is here. Electronic parking brake. Then you got your cup holders and your armrest. Doubles as a storage container. Top and bottom layer with a USB plug-in inside. And then you got your glove box here. It is a locking glove box. Lots of room. And then you do have your control over your lights and your sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well. It is the same material as the front. The two-tone seats look great. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold this guy down. And then you do also have even more room. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.